loves, it's Sharon and welcome back to Beauty and Beyond. So hello mga friendships. So today I will be eating donuts. Yes. Oh my gosh, guys, if you have not watched my previous video, I better tell you now na lang kung ano yung previous video ko. So if you have not know it yet, my YouTube channel was hacked and finally I'm back. I got access back on my YouTube channel and I am so happy. That's why today we are going to celebrate, and of course the best way to celebrate it is to eat, of course, my favorite, which is donuts. So we'll be eating donuts from Mr. Donut. You cannot see me, guys. So yeah, this is their, like, I don't know, Pokemon, Miss Do Pokemon box edition. Yeah, sa Mr. Donut. So, ayan, I got like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 donuts because I think konti lang yung selections nila ng donuts and ganito lang din yung mga donuts na available nila. Wala yung type ng donut na the same with anong tawag niyan sa Mr. Donut, not Mr. Donut, Dunkin' Donut, Krispy Kreme, or Jayco yung may filling, because that type of donut really is my favorite donut, yung may filling. But konti lang yung donuts na may filling nila, which is this one. This is a custard filled donut, and yung isa is an angel cream filled donut, which is simply whipped cream filling. So I don't like whipped cream filling. I like custard filling. So ayan, I'm so excited to be eating this donut and celebrating the coming back to YouTube. So in celebration of that coming back to YouTube, guys, we'll be eating all these donuts. Hopefully we could eat them all, and of course if we cannot eat them all, Rookie is here to help. Ayan, may mga gumi pa sa ano. So, yeah, actually guys, kanina pa si Rookie gustong kumain ng donut and he is asking me na, sorry if I keep on looking here kasi nandito yung aking monitor kasi kanina while I was filming another video. Oh my God. Wala, wag nyo nang tanungin. Basta, yun. So, pasensya na if I keep on looking here. So, yeah. Like I've said, Rookie was so excited already to eat the donuts. And then, he also told me na pwede ba siyang kumain ng isang donut sa mga binili kong donut. Sabi ko sa kanya, hindi, walang para sa'yo doon. Pumili ka ng para sa'yo. Sorry, si Hido ini. Gomen eh. Donut wa suki kara. Hala, na-Tagalog na. So ayan, so I'm so excited. So I also be eating this ice cream. This is my current favorite ice cream from Farm Morinaga brand. Their caramel chocolate ice cream, and also this one from haagen-dazs. I picked the crisp chip chocolate. Ayan. Tapos yung isang flavor, of course, you could never get wrong with matcha. Yan, gusto ko yung matcha. Na-off na yung aking monitor. And then, macadamia nuts. Yeah, I always like this one from, yung macadamia nut na, flavor. So, ayan guys. So, I'm so excited to eat all of this, and hopefully I could eat all of this, but I really miss Baba and Sashi because we always eat donuts together, pero wala sila dito for now. Maybe soon they will be here eating donuts with me again. So for now, ako na muna, and let's get started. I cannot wait to eat one. So guys, welcome back. So let's start eating na. Hala, baka matunaw to. Pasok mo na sa ref.
Tagalig pala ka.
Yeah. So, the first donut, of course, lagay natin dito kasi ano, nadjajama ako. Oh my God, hindi din makikita. Dito na lang. Ano ba? Saan ba si ano? So, I think the first donut that I will be eating is, ano, mas masarap. Yung pinaka, ano, eto. Ayan, ito yung unang kakainin natin. Ikaw?
Taste.
Salin lang daw yun. So good. So good. What's good with Mr. Donut here is that maliit lang yung donut nila. Kayang-kaya mong ubusin yung isang donut na mabilisan, guys. No? And it is so chewy. It's so weird. But yung inside, oh, grabe. It's so chewy. So let's try the another one. I wanted to try this one. Ito na muna yung ano, strawberry donut. Strawberry donut. Strawberry iced donut. I really like this one as well. Grabe. So good. What is so good with, food here in Japan is that, for example, if it is strawberry, as in, matitaste mo talaga yung strawberry, hindi lang yung smell ng strawberry, as in, strawberry. I don't have drinks. Hindi kasi mas Dr. Pepper. My favorite drink, which is Dr. Pepper. Ooh. Grabe. Dito na. So, the next donut would be, strawberry yun. Ito. Last na lang yung may feeling. Yung hindi chocolate. Di ba ganahan magkaning? Coconut.
Ito pa. Sobrang liyaw.
Ito pa yung nut. I'm gonna give this to Lucky. So, our next donut will be, ito na lang, yung custard filled donut. I don't know if I will be able to finish this all. Kasi gusto ko din magdala sa work. So, here's the custard donut. See that? Merong tagaan. No? Di ba? Tamis. I think I have sugars all over my mouth now. Next would be this one. I've been really eyeing. I don't know what flavor is this, but it's red. Ayan, with sprinkles. Raspberry. It tastes like strawberry pero red. Sorry if you heard my burp. There's only 4 donuts left, but I feel like I wanted to eat ice cream or I will not be able to finish this. na kasi I already ate 5 donuts, guys. And yeah. Maybe let's just eat one more. Eto, yung honey dip, and I think I'm gonna eat the ice cream. Because if uubusin ko sila lahat, hindi na ako makakain ng ice cream. So, eto na lang yung panghuli. Yung also my favorite honey dip. Very simple but masarap. So good. So, I'm just going to quickly drink tea kasi para mawala yung bleh. Kasi medyo parang bleh because I was eating so fast. Yeah. Lami.
Hanggang na.
Ha? Tidaan.
Hanggang mo na.
Hindi ni mo? Lain na ni mo eh.
Yan,
You tricked me!
Tikin na.
Makatikin. So, ano bang tawag niyan? A little tip for you guys, if you eat a lot of sweets, and then after that, you need to drink green tea. Because green tea is best for when you are eating sweets. Diba? Blocks the... Anong tawag niyan? Blocks the... na-mental block na. Basta, binablock na yung insulin. Yun. Nawawala yung pagkaumay mo pag minom ka ng green tea, tapos pag kumakain ka ng ano. And then, you will be ready for another batch of donuts again. Oh my gosh, guys, I forgot to mention, I think I vlogged it na prior to eating this, I ate homba ni Rookie. Yun. Kumain ako ng humba, so I am pretty full already before I have this donut. Huh? Sorry for the burp. I know you could hear that because my microphone is next to my ear. So, I'm eating one lang of this one kasi I've been eating too much sugar na. Grabe, ang dami ng sugar, guys. So, one lang ito. You see that? Oh. Caramel and chocolate is the best combination. So you're letting me drink that, and then I'm eating cold. Tapos magka-crack yung ipin ko na. This is the best day ever. So, as you can see, guys, 3 donuts na lang, but I think hindi ko nakakainin yan kasi 6 na donut na yung nakain natin. If you are going to visit Japan, you better try this ice cream from Farm, their caramel chocolate ice cream. I'm just waiting for the ice cream. I like the kutsara, bro. Last na lang dyan. I cannot open it. So, by the way, I will be eating green tea. Ayan. Na-open ko na. Ang hirap. Yung haagen-dazs na. Ayan. Green tea. Kasi we're eating too much chocolate, so green tea naman tayo. Masarap din to. Definitely. Definitely. Oh, my hair. Wow. Lami kayo, bro. Di ka? Matcha kayo.
Yeah.
Finish! So, I think we're done with this video, guys. May natira pa akong 3 donuts and yeah, I cannot finish them all because I already ate 6 of the donuts and 2 ice cream. So, hindi ko na din kakainin yung 2 ice cream kasi ano na, been eating too much wheat. Baka bukas na lang yun. And I'm gonna bring one of this sa kaon pa kani sa work then, so or maybe on too much wheat already. So yeah, that's it for today's video and hopefully nag-enjoy kayo as much as I did enjoy eating these donuts.
KO.
Yeah, that's how you said KO. So thank you so much for watching and celebrating with me on this video because I have my channel back. And yeah, before I forgot, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you are not yet subscribed, and hit the notification bell so that you will be not missing out any of my videos. So thank you once again and I will see you on the next one. Bye!